In this video, I will show you how to set up shipping based on order price or weight in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder, and to set up shipping based on order price or weight, go to your store manager first and click on store settings. Go to shipping. Now, let's say I want to give a free shipping for orders over $50. As you can see, I have a regular shipping for the US. Click on it. And next to shipping options, click on add option. Give your shipping option a name, for example, free shipping over $50. For the shipping rate, it should be 0 because it's free, and click on add conditions. As you can see, you can add conditions based on the order price or the order weight. Let's go with the order price. The minimum order price, it should be 50, and click on add. As you can see, shipping details are added. Now let's check my website live. This is a product page. Let's click on this one. As you can see, my order total is way above $50. Click on checkout. Let's select my shipping destination, the US, the shipping rate. As you can see, now I have the option of free shipping because this order is over $50. Now let's test with a product price that is below $50. Click on add to bag. Delete this donation. As you can see, my total is just $30. Click on checkout. Select United States as my shipping destination. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden for this order with a total price below $50. Now let's set shipping options based on the order weight. Click on store settings and go to shipping. Click on the shipping zone you want to set up this shipping option for. Then click on add option. Let's say I want to offer a shipping option, for example, up to £5 with a shipping rate of $5. Give your shipping option a name, for example, shipping orders weight up to £5, and click on add conditions. Now select the order weight as your condition type. For the minimum order weight, it should be 0. For the maximum order weight, as you can see, they go with the O's. So in £5, there are 80 ounces. So I will go with 80 ounces. I will go with 80 and 1. Why? Because the lower bound of the condition is inclusive. So with an order of 0 ounce, it will be under this shipping rate. But the upper bound, which is this one, is not inclusive. So if I set 80, the 80 ounce, which is £5, is not included in this shipping rate. So this is why you should go with 81 and click on add. Now let's visit my website. This is a product that meets my condition of weight between 0 and 81 ounces. Click on add bag. Let's delete my old. As you can see, the hand soap is the product. Same thing here with quantity 1. Let's click on checkout. Select the United States as my shipping destination, and as you can see, I have a shipping for orders weighing up to £5 with a shipping cost of $5. To add another shipping option for orders weighing above £5 up to £10, just go back to your store manager next to shipping options. Click on add option. Give your shipping a name, for example, shipping orders weighing between 5 to 10 pounds. For your shipping rate, $10. set the order weight as the condition type. So here I will fill a minimum order weight of 81 up to, what is 5 pounds in ounces? Up to 160 ounces. Click on add. Let's go back to our checkout, return to store. What I will do, since this product weight is 10 ounces and I want to see this option, so I will order 8 hand soaps to have a total weight of, but I will order 9 for example. So the total weight of this order is 90 ounces. Click on checkout, and 90 is between these conditions of this shipping option. Let's select the US, Alabama. As you can see, I have this new shipping options, which is for orders weighing above 5 pounds up to 10 pounds. This tutorial was hard to record because there are many conditions. So thank you for your thumbs up, and don't forget to engage in the comment section below. Thank you.